How to connect Shopify store to YouTube. Now to get started, head over and log in onto your Shopify admin panel, and right here you will then actually have to head over to the settings on the bottom left and then navigate to apps and sales channels right here. So right here we will then have to open up the actual Shopify app store by clicking on Shopify app store on the top right. Right here we will then have to simply look for Google right here on top, and then we are going to see all of the different search results. Now in this case we will actually have to simply select this Google and YouTube app right here. Now as you can see, this is going to be completely free to install, although additional charges are going to apply. However, this isn't going to be the case for the simple YouTube connection. Now as you can see, the developer of this is going to be Google on itself, so you can assure that this is going to be completely safe to use. Just make sure to actually install this onto your store. You're then going to be redirected to the actual installation page. Then click on install right here to actually grant Google and YouTube with all of the different data. And right here we will then have to connect our Google account. Now, because I already had this app in the past, this now says reconnect Google account, but either way for you guys, this is most likely going to just say connect. So just click on connect Google account, and then you're going to be redirected to this option where you will simply have to select the Google account that you want to actually add. And in my case, this would be krausetutorials@gmail.com. And as you can see, this now is going to be successfully connected and also synced to Google and YouTube. Right here you can then see the Google account that you have actually connected. In my case this would be krausetutorials@gmail.com. So you can then actually enable that you are going to receive updates. I will just simply do that, and as you can see right here we will then have to go through the steps. So the final step would be that we would actually have to confirm this. So just make sure to basically confirm this, and then you will have to actually create or connect a Google Merchant Center account. In my case I'm just going to click on create new account, and now this is automatically going to be created, and you can now then connect this exact Google Merchant Center account onto Shopify. So just click on connect right here, and this will then actually also automatically be synced. Now this is going to take a couple of seconds, so just make sure to actually wait for this. Now after you've successfully connected your Google Merchant account, you will then simply have to verify your phone number. Now as this is going to be a test store, I'm not actually going to do that right now. However, after you have added your phone number, you can then go ahead and actually set up the target country and language, the checkout link settings, as well as the conversion tracking. Now this is going to be super self-explanatory. You will, for example, just have to click on this button right here to enable conversion tracking. However, if you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course. So make sure to click on the link down below to get started.